Hello everyone, my name is Model of GNM first year. I took admission in Neotia Nursing Institute last October. Our college was found with an observation to provide excellent learning opportunities to all the students and a great platform to show their skills. What I like the most about this college is that it gives equal importance to every subject, and teachers of our colleges are very helpful. Thus we can say that it will help us in our future. And I personally choose GNM Nursing because it provides many facilities to us, and it having a lot of facilities like we work in medical fields like in hospital clinics and also in the community health centers, and it will help us to having a great future, and it will help us and help every students to build up their future very good. That's why I choose GNM Nursing.